Hi there, this is Tim. I'm President and CEO of Constructors 911, and I would like to thank you for coming on and applying with our company. This is going to be a world-class team that we're building, and this is a preliminary application that we're going to look at and take into consideration. We're looking for, I mean, honestly, the best of the best of people that really care. So I want to walk you down through this application. It's a advanced job application. A lot of these questions are open for free thinking and understanding. It isn't a right or wrong question, and it's more about core values and honesty and belief. We're really looking to build a team that has the same real core values and understanding so that when you're working for somebody for the majority of your lifetime, every hour of the day, you're with the right people and they're on the right bus and they really like working for each other. That way I can give you guys the freedom with still being self-motivated. So going through it, I mean, honestly, you have the same typical questions, name, email, all that stuff, what you're looking for, whether it's office, sales, management, or trades, desired compensation, favorite books, just kind of typical stuff. And then we move down into like above the line, and above the line is how you handle things. Another section of it is like business, physical abilities in there, and it's not really necessary if you're going to be an office person or I mean, I guess salesmen need to be able to get on roofs, so you got to have to pick up a ladder, but it's all negotiable. So I don't want anybody to feel like they're completely left out if they have skills that are very good that we could utilize. So just be fair and honest about it. That's what we are. The biggest thing for Constructors 911 is that we're trying to build the best service in our industry here in our area. So we need the best people, and we need people that believe the same way. And this application's probably none like you've done for the average construction company, but we've developed it over the years, and developed a team that we really feel comfortable with, and that's working really well. And we'd love to continue to keep it the same way. So that is it. I hope you guys find this well. Get done. We'll look at everything. We'll evaluate it. We'll call you up and get you on an interview and just go over everything with you and see how you feel about joining our team. But thanks a lot for taking the time to do it. We look forward to seeing you, and good luck.